The 2014 Academy Awards officially lands a host. Hi everyone, I'm Brian Corsetti with ENTV, and Deadline.com has all the details. It's round 2 for Ellen DeGeneres, who has been picked again to host the Oscars next year. The comedian and daytime talk show host took to Twitter to share the news, saying, "It's official, I'm hosting the Oscars. I'd like to thank the Academy, my wife Portia, and oh dear, there goes the orchestra." Ellen will bring her trademark wit to the Oscar stage for the second time. She previously emceed the 79th Annual Academy Awards in 2007, becoming the first openly gay host.
And then Leonardo DiCaprio is here. Hi, Leo. How you doing? I don't have a joke. I just thought the ladies wanted to look at him for a second, so. Look at you.
Ellen landed the 2014 gig after this year's host, Family Guy creator Seth MacFarlane, turned down an opportunity to host it again next year. He tweeted back in May, "Traumatized critics, exhale. I'm unable to do the Oscars again. Tried to make it work schedule-wise, but I need sleep." Seth went on to jokingly recommend known Oscar basher and 3-time nominee Joaquin Phoenix for the job. In the end, though, Ellen seems to be a safer bet for the Academy over Seth, who got criticized for moments like these on the show this year.
I would argue, however, that the actor who really got inside Lincoln's head was John Wilkes Booth. Really, 150 years and it's still too soon, huh?
The 86th Annual Academy Awards airs March 2nd, 2014 on ABC. You can get all the updates on Hollywood's biggest night by subscribing below. Click here for highlights from this year's Oscar ceremony, and to get the rundown of nominees for the upcoming Emmy Awards, click right here. I'm Brian Corsetti for the latest movie and industry news. Log on to Deadline.com and stay tuned to ENTV for all your entertainment news first.